Friends, family, and loved ones, we come together today as witnesses to join Jessica and Rick in marriage. We gather around them in this beautiful setting, and we look on with love as these two begin their new life together as one.
The hot bride.
Jessica and Rick's story began in May 2012. Over the past 14 years, they've built a relationship rooted in friendship, trust, laughter, and unwavering support. Marriage is not just about a special day, it's about all the days that follow. It's about partnership, patience, and finding joy in both the big moments and the everyday routines. Jessica, do you promise to stand by, support, and grow with Rick? Allow him time on Real Salty when it's a perfect boat day, to watch the Islanders whenever they're playing, to ride his dirt bike around the neighborhood whenever the sun is shining, share the covers, and love him as your best friend, lover, and partner in life. Rick, do you promise to stand by, support, and grow with Jessica? Allow her just one more espresso martini, infinite days on the beach, to look the other way when she brings home one more pair of shoes, to smile when Beyonce plays on repeat, and to love her as your best friend, lover, and partner in life. Rick, you may now kiss your bride.
They're married. We love you! Marriage! Wow!
All right, band, are you ready?